Dope Freaks, Josh VTech, down at Tone HQ. Today's question, what gauge string should I play? Great question. I got a shitty answer for you. Depends. And it really does. Your skill level, your instrument you're playing, and what you want to sound like. You're going to have to try out a variety of different gauges, a variety of different brands. To give you an example, throughout my playing career, depending on instruments that I was playing, I jumped from different brands. I may play brand A on one guitar, but I prefer brand B on another guitar. Now that I have my own strings, I solved that problem. But here's a reference. On Strat style guitars, 25.5 inch scale length, I prefer a 9-42. On Gibson style guitars, a 24 3/4 scale length, I prefer a 10-46. On acoustic guitars, I prefer a 13-56. And on jazz boxes, I prefer a 14-60. It's all over the place, and that's just come from a lifetime of trial and error. I've been playing guitar for 40 years, making a living at it for about 35.